This is Sam the Weatherman here with your forecast and for the greater Burlington area. Now to take a look at your current conditions out here at the moment, we can see we have some snowfall all throughout your upper valley up here. Some snowfall off in the upstate New York, but notice there's dark snow right over Jay Peak. More on that snowfall in just a little bit. Take a look at your current conditions here in the Champlain Valley in Burlington. We have a current temperature of 26 degrees, winds 7 miles an hour out of the north, humidity of 53%, and a barometric pressure of 29.48. Now as we take a look at this evening, your temperatures should be around 18 degrees. That's your low for tonight. Because of that brisk wind out of the north, the wind chill is going to dip down to be around 10 degrees. So it's going to be a pretty nippy night out there. As far as tomorrow goes, high tomorrow 30 degrees, and low tomorrow of 18. So pretty typical Vermont day. But notice the snow flurry that should be lingering around tomorrow morning. More on that in just a little bit. Now let's take a look at your forecast for the next day here. We have your hourly forecast now. Like we said, tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. if you're waking up, probably not because it's a Sunday, but some snow flurries tomorrow morning. And as you're moseying on out over to breakfast around 10 a.m. or maybe into 1 p.m., temperatures should be in your upper 20s. Notice the clouds throughout the whole day. It should be a pretty gloomy day, but temperatures should be warmer. Notice we hit our high of 30 degrees right here around 4 p.m. So things are looking better. Here's a look at your national map now. Some heavy snow is possible in the Midwest, but that snow is actually moving up our way because weather moves west to east. The snow is just coming right up towards Vermont, so hopefully we'll keep an eye on that, but that should be here maybe about 5 days from now. It's not in our 5-day forecast at the moment, but we will keep an eye on it. Also notice the snow up here in the Adirondacks. That's the snow that we experience up at Jay Peak, and that is the snow at your ski resorts. Here's a look at your weekly forecast now. Like we said, on tomorrow Sunday, high of 30 degrees, snow flurry. On Monday, high even upper in the 30s, a high of 31. On Tuesday, it's even warmer yet, high of 34. On Wednesday, a chance of even a little sunshine, our only chance this week, high of 32. And on Thursday, we dip back down into the 20s. If you notice, we have snow flurries all throughout the whole week, but no significant snow accumulation is expected now at the moment. Pretty unfortunate, but you know, what can you do? All right, here's a look at your powder forecast for tomorrow. We're expecting pretty chilly temperatures up at Jay, Bolton, Mad River, and Stowe. Again, we're expecting very windy conditions as well. So if you're heading out, you notice the temperatures are in the mid-teens, but if you tack on the wind chill, temperatures should be down in the single digits even, maybe around 7 to 10 degrees. As far as new snow goes, like I mentioned at the beginning, we're putting up some new snow up at Jay Peak, probably about 4 inches even, and a little bit farther south at Bolton. At Bolton, we picked up about 2 inches, and no serious accumulation has occurred at Stowe or Mad River yet, unfortunately. If you're heading out this weekend, on Friday or Saturday night, actually Thursday and Friday both already happened, but you see the conditions you experienced last night are going to be pretty much identical to what you'll experience tonight if you're heading out. You know, it's Friday and Saturday night both got the check marks of approval to head out because the weather is good to go. So if you're heading out on the town tonight on Saturday, expect good conditions. Monday should be pretty similar as well, or Sunday night should be pretty similar as well if you're heading out and taking advantage of that 3-day weekend that we have this weekend. Here's a look at your weather fun fact of the day. The largest piece of ice to fall on planet Earth was 6 meters. That fell in Scotland on August 3rd, 1839. And this fun fact is from www.funshun.com. Wow, 6 meters. Imagine like 5 meters on a football field is like those lines, and it was a meter bigger. One piece of ice. Hope it didn't hit anybody. That's all from UVM TV Weather. I am Sam the Weatherman. Thank you for tuning in.